Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Swift Dzire VDI Bluetooth system. First, switch on your vehicle's ignition and ensure it is in a safe, parked position. Locate the infotainment system in the center console of your Swift Dzire VDI. Make sure your mobile phone has sufficient battery life, preferably above 25%, to avoid interruptions during the pairing process. This initial readiness ensures a smooth setup. Now, let's enable Bluetooth on both your phone and the car. On your mobile phone, open the Settings application and find the Bluetooth option, then toggle it to the on position to make it discoverable. Simultaneously, turn on your vehicle's infotainment system. Use the physical buttons or touchscreen to navigate to the settings menu, then locate and select the Bluetooth option there. This step prepares both devices for connection. With Bluetooth active, your phone will now scan for nearby devices. Look for Suzuki BT or a similar name representing your car's system on your phone's list of available devices and tap it to connect. A pairing request will appear, often displaying a matching code on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm this code. If prompted, input the default 4-digit PIN, which is usually 0000 on your phone. This secures your connection. Once successfully paired, your phone should automatically connect to the Swift Dzire VDI's Bluetooth whenever you enter the vehicle and the ignition is on. You can now stream your favorite music and podcasts directly through the car's sound system. Additionally, enjoy hands-free calling, safely managing your communications while driving. Should you encounter any connection problems, simply delete the pairing from both devices and repeat the setup process. Enjoy your connected drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.